Hi there, what's up? Hope you guys doing well. In this video, I'll be showing you how can you deploy your React application to Netlify. Basically, there are three ways you can deploy your React application to Netlify. First one is that you can connect your repository, which is in your GitHub, and you can connect that with your Netlify account. But there are some steps which may be a bit harder for the beginners. And the next step is to deploy your React application using terminal. And the process is pretty much like you install Netlify on your system, then you use your terminal to deploy your application to Netlify. And the last step, which is the sole focus of this video, and I'll be demonstrating that, and that is how can you deploy your React application by dragging and dropping in your Netlify account. So let's get into the video. So now we're going to log in into our Netlify account. If you don't have an account, you may register. I already have an account, that's why I'm just simply logging in. Here's the interface after logging in into Netlify. Now what you need to do is we need to open up our project, okay, in the VS Code, or maybe you are using other kinds of code editors. It doesn't matter. You just simply open your project in a code editor, then you check the package file. Okay, I'm using npm, that's why it's package.json. If you're using bun or pnpm, you may have a slightly different scenario, but you have to find out the package file or the file where you are going to see a script named build or something like this, which is responsible for building your application. I'm using Vite, and that's why you can see that with this script build I have Vite build setup. Okay, now we need to go to the terminal. Okay, let's go to the terminal. The shortcut is Control J in VS Code. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to build the application. The command is in front of you. Okay, build. So since I'm using npm, I'm writing npm run and the script, that is build. Now hit enter, and now the minifying and building application process will start. Okay, you can see that our application is minified, bundled up using Vite. Now what we have to do is we need to go to the route. You can see here that there's a dist folder which was not earlier, okay, which did not exist before this command npm run build. Now we need to go to the destination where we are gonna get this folder named dist. Okay, hit explorer dot, and now you can see that I have the directory opened up in front of me. So now you can see that I have the dist folder after bundling up my application, and on the left side you can see that I have opened up Netlify. Then you need to find this option, add new site. Okay, if you click add new site, you will see multiple options: import an existing project, start from a template, or deploy manually. What we are going to do is we are going to click deploy manually. Then you will see an interface like this. Okay, now you just simply click drag and drop that folder here. Okay, drop it. Now you see our application has been deployed. That's the way you do it. It's so simple. Okay, now if you click open production deploy, if you click on it, you will find out that our application has been deployed. Now what we can do is we can change the URL or link. Okay, we need to go to the section of site configuration. Okay, then you will find that there's an option for changing a name, change site name, and now you can change it. Let's say we're learning deployment 1 2 3 4. Okay, save, Now if you reload the page, you will see that it does not exist because we have changed the site name. Now the link will be learning deploy 1 2 3 4. Okay, that's the easiest way to deploy your React application to Netlify. By the way, if you want to learn other ways of deploying your React application to Netlify, you can comment me below. I will try to make other tutorials on different kinds of approach, methods, processes by which you can upload or deploy your application to Netlify. I hope you found this video helpful. Please give it a thumbs up, share it with others, and share your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for upcoming web development related videos. Thank you so much.